Good morning, guys. Magandang umaga. Why did I speak Tagalog? You might be wondering. Okay, so today is Sunday, and we're gonna have a group ride again. And this time, it's gonna be our first group ride with our fellow Filipinos, Kabayans. Shout out. Okay, don't be surprised if we're gonna speak Tagalog. That's normal. We normally speak our language when we're all by ourselves. That's comfortable for us. Nonetheless, I can still speak in English if I can when I'm just alone filming during the scene, during the ride. The problem is I'm gonna have a hard time editing later on. There's gonna be a lot of what do you call this? Fixing the subtitles. Never mind, it's okay. Okay, so we're gonna go for a Sentosa loop and the breakfast afterwards. It's a 3-loop Sentosa. Last night it rained heavily. Alright, so there was an adjustment we did on our tires for today's ride. Okay, so normally I inflate my tire on a 70 psi. But because the road is wet and it's hilly, so I need more grip to the tires. So I put my PSI for today's ride at 60. Before we start the ride, okay, special mention, this is the CycleSafe Pro jersey. Alright, so they just released, CycleSafe just released this month ago. Alright, so they have, I think, 6 new designs. A Pro jersey is different from their VeloFlow version. Feel free to check the website. I'm gonna put the link on under the description. Would you believe this one is only $90? Thank you, CycleSafe. Thank you. Okay, we're here. Up to now, I still can't time it perfectly. I'm late. I hate being late. I don't like it. It's just not me. I don't like late. Anyway, sorry. Woohoo! New bike day, guys. Ikaw pa lang? Wala rin ako din. As usual, guys, Philippine time. Shout out, guys. New bike day. Rich. Ano man yung ride?
Pinalitan ko ng ceramic kit.
Pinapalitan mo kagad ceramic. So, ibig sabihin, mas smooth.
Mas siya. Hindi naman sobrang drastic yung pero meron.
Magkano yung ceramic, BB? Grabe. Bagong-bago pa yung cassette, oh. Dapat diniretso mo na pala ng konti, no?
Oo nga, inisip ko nga.
Yung friend ko, hindi na siya nagbabike lift ngayon, eh. So, nakita niya kagad talaga yung difference when nag-change siya ng from Pirelli to Conti, yung rolling resistance talaga nag-iba. Comfortable naman, you don't plan on going bike fit?
200, 300 din eh, no?
The 100 bike fit, weekend bike fitter, 580. Shout out, Ben. Can discount or not? The thing is for bike fitting sa part natin is ito, wala nang masyadong point of adjustment kasi ano na to, integrated na, so fixed na, hindi mo na matitilt up down gano'n. Sup? Mr. Bien.
Long time.
Long time. Nandun yata pre yung NTPC sa kabilang side. Doon din yata yung meet up point nila ngayon. NPPC. Oh, pero what I know is yung weekends nila, paiba-iba ng meet up point. Okay lang mag-Tagalog, pre. Ako na lang bahala. So pag Sunday lang kayo lagi?
Kasi hindi ako sumasama din sa aming Harabas.
Bakit?
Malalakas yun eh.
Ah, seryoso? Ayan, so, si Sir Jim, sinasama pa ako eh.
Pagka yung mga ano lang, yung Panayan Pride yun, yung kasama ko.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yan yung Go Ultra. Oh, nice. Parang gusto ko talaga. Okay, clear. Pagkakaalaman.
This is what I hate.
This is what we do. Give me a Colnago stance. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, gachar. Vamos! Okay, tayo, tayo, tayo. Hoy! Ano to? Di ko to alam ah. What? Aakitin natin yun. GG.
Drop namin kayo.
Grabe. Nire-regret ka na ba, pre? Wow, wow, wow. Oh. Yan. Nice. Nice. Left, left, left. Ito na naman. Today's scammer is none other than the Harabas. Ha? Keppel Bay?
Hindi. West Coast Highway pala.
West Coast.
Paglabas na yung sento sa
Oh,
kaliwa. Tapos pa West Coast.
tapos?
Kaya tayo bumalik.
Ah, okay. Saan mag-U-turn? Sa may McDo? Doon?
Lagpas ng park. Before ng Clementi. Oo, before ng Clementi. Tapos lalabas sa Clementi, akya tayo. So after this,
So, what you gotta do? That's a scam. Yes to scam. Baka bearing na.
Bearing ng wheelset.
Ipa.
kasi hindi tumatama yung rotor eh.
Bearing, oh.
Wheelset. Sabi ko sa'yo, palit wheelset mo.
Wheelset na pala eh, no?
Nagkatotoo yung biro ko, bitch.
Ah,
Sakto, Black Friday pa rin, no? Size.
punta mo lang ngayon kay Passboy. Palit bearing.
Yun muna.
Ang gusto mo, $20 or
Organic speed agad.
2,000?
Ay,
Layo pa. Kailangan ko ng palatandaan.
yung maling merge, malapit na mga ilang
Saan manggagaling yung merge? Dito? Kaliwa? Ayun na yung cable car eh.
Tapos ang sprint lane, yung gitna.
Ah, okay.
Kasi ito, bababa ito eh.
Ah,
Mamaya sa dulo, bababa. Kaya dapat kasi
ah,
At bago ako lilipat, tingin muna lagi yan.
bibilis pa naman.
May umatak, di mo wala.
Oo, kaya na. Ayun na yung cable car. So, kailangan mo ma-survive to.
Oo. Kaya sari, huwag ka mag-transport.
Oo.
May merge, wala.
Ayun na yung merge. Ah, okay. Ayun na yung cable car.
So pag-merge, left lane muna tayo.
Okay.
Hold!
Hold!
Clear!
Clear!
After lumiko, yan na.
After lumiko, papasok na ako sa gitna. Wala. Wait. Tayo natin! Nice! Nag-take off ka kaagad. Po-position pa lang ako. Lau Pasad, guys. Mr. Dan. Ay. Sir Dan. Ay, wala. Sir. Siemens, di ba? Sir. Saan si Dan? Pre. Morning, sir. Morning. Sir, morning. Breakfast. Sarap. This is my first Lau Pasad, guys.
Hold mo lang steady, sige. One step na yan. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
That's it, guys. Salamat for watching. Thank you. It's a Sunday. Have a rad day, guys. Cheers. We're home.